Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. You will learn about different topics in Python here. So the first topic which we are going to start is NLP, that is Natural Language Processing. Now before reading about its concepts, we first learn about installation needed for that topic. Now basically we needed here two modules, that are your NumPy module and NLTK module. So first, now go through that site. This is your www.nltk.org. So on that site we will get the information about NLTK, which is module required in natural language processing, that is your natural language toolkit NLTK module. Now for the installation, go through this installing NLTK. Now here you will learn about different steps for installing NLTK module. Okay, so for installing you have to go to the command prompt. Here first browse to the required path. Now let's see, if you want to install NLTK module in your Python 2.7, then see, this is your C drive and here there is a folder named Python 2.7. So this is your required version. Now this is your scripts and here you have to install your module. So just copy that path and just go to that path, and then you have to type that command pip install numpy, similarly pip install NLTK, and in this way you will be able to install both these modules. Okay, so after running these two commands your module is successfully installed. Now for checking that, okay, now this is your idle, just write import NLTK. Now after executing that command, if there is no error, it means that your NLTK module is successfully installed. Similarly, you have to write import numpy and this will be imported here. Since there is no error, it means your numpy module is successfully installed. Now what you have to do is you have to write nltk.download command. Now after running that command you will get a new window. Now see that window. This will take some time. See, this is your collections. Collections means these are your collections. NLTK, book, popular. These are all your collections, and book is a very important collection here. That is everything used in the NLTK book. So this next is your corpora section, model sections, and your all packages here. You can click any package and then click download option, and your that package will be downloaded automatically. Similarly, you have to click on that book collection and then your download option, so everything present in that book will be downloaded. Now what is book? So book is a collection which is containing all data required for the examples and exercises in this collection. So this is very important collection, and our next tutorial will be based on that collection, so you must need to download that collection. Okay, now after downloading that we have to run. Now just close it. After closing that you will get your prompt again. Okay, now you have to type that command from nltk.book import star. Okay, now here this is your title, introductory examples for the NLTK book, and then different text are loading, text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4, and so on. So these are the data, these are the books present in that book collection. Okay, so you can run that. After downloading your book collection, okay, so these are different texts present in that book, text 1, text 2, and from that to text 9, and these are the name of those text. Okay, if you want the detail of any particular text, then you have to type that command like text1. Then you will get about that. This is text1 Moby Dick by Herman Melville, 1851. So this is your text1. Similarly, you can write any text, text9, then it will give you like this. If you write text11, then it is giving name error because the text11 is not present in book collection. So if you write text5, then it will give you the details of text5, that is your chat corpus. So these are different commands which we can run after downloading book collection. Now in our next tutorial we will learn about different functions, different commands present in NLP.